In this short tutorial, you will learn how to remove a passkey on Roblox. A passkey is an extra layer of security that helps protect your account. Sometimes, you may want to remove it for easier access or if you no longer need it. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, open up the Roblox mobile app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can access all necessary settings. Once you're in the app, tap on the More button, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. After tapping More, scroll down a bit until you find Settings. Go ahead and tap on that option. Now that you're in the Settings menu, select Account Info. Here, you'll see various options related to your account details. Look for a section called Login Methods. Within this section, you'll see an option called Passkey. To manage your passkeys, tap on the Manage button, located next to the Passkey option. You'll now see two options: add another passkey or delete your current one. To remove a passkey from Roblox, simply tap on the trash can icon next to the specific passkey you wish to delete. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure about removing this key. To confirm this action, tap on Delete Key. Next, Roblox will require verification for security purposes. Simply type in the 6-digit code Roblox sent you in the text box. Tap Verify to complete this step to finalize removing your passkey. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a passkey from your Roblox account using just a few simple steps. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.